Saving money is essential for building a secure financial future. Setting aside funds helps you prepare for unexpected expenses, ensuring you can handle emergencies without stress. It also allows you to achieve important life goals, such as buying a home, funding education, or planning for retirement. By accumulating savings, you gain financial independence and peace of mind. It also enables you to take advantage of new opportunities without relying on credit. Understanding the importance of saving helps you develop disciplined habits and achieve long term financial stability. Ready to start your journey to financial security? Join the movement. Like, subscribe, and follow the Wealth Pioneer for more.